In today's fast-paced business world, managing financial records can be a complex and time-consuming task. But what if there was a way to streamline your accounting processes, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your business's financial health? Enter accounting and bookkeeping software, a game-changing solution for businesses of all sizes. Let's explore the incredible benefits that make these digital tools an essential asset for modern entrepreneurs and finance professionals. First and foremost, accounting software dramatically improves accuracy. Manual bookkeeping is prone to human error. A misplaced decimal or forgotten transaction can cause significant financial discrepancies. Automated software eliminates these risks by performing calculations instantly and precisely, ensuring your financial records are always correct and up to date. Time efficiency is another remarkable advantage. Traditional bookkeeping requires hours of manual data entry and reconciliation. With advanced accounting software, repetitive tasks are automated, freeing up valuable time for strategic business planning and growth. Imagine processing invoices, tracking expenses, and generating financial reports in just minutes instead of days. Financial visibility becomes crystal clear with these sophisticated tools. Real-time dashboards provide comprehensive insights into your business's financial performance. You can instantly view cash flow, monitor expenses, track income, and generate detailed financial reports at the click of a button. This transparency enables faster, more informed decision-making. Cost savings are a significant benefit that cannot be overlooked. By reducing manual labor and minimizing accounting errors, businesses can save substantial amounts on administrative expenses. Many software solutions are also more affordable than hiring full-time accounting staff, making them an economical choice for small and medium-sized enterprises. Security is another critical advantage. Modern accounting software offers robust data protection, secure cloud storage, and advanced encryption methods. Your sensitive financial information remains safe from potential breaches and unauthorized access. Furthermore, these tools seamlessly integrate with other business systems like payroll, tax preparation, and inventory management. This interconnectedness creates a comprehensive financial ecosystem that simplifies complex business operations. Whether you're a startup, small business, or large corporation, accounting and bookkeeping software provides the technological edge needed to stay competitive in today's digital landscape. By embracing these innovative solutions, you're not just managing finances, you're empowering your business to thrive.